We're late for our date. It says we'll be there at 12:25. That should be fine, right?
I'm trying. I'm really trying, but we keep moving.
Polaroid camera in a car. Not a good idea.
Boom. That was a good one.
So beautiful. It was a little stressful because we were late, but Rocky! Show was amazing. Clothes always like so beautiful. The colors were beautiful. The models were beautiful. It was so cool. Devin and Rocky and Carolina and some other girls are sitting there and they're looking at me like, "What are you doing over there?" And I'm like, "I was so late." And they're like, "Oh shit." So we just got to the daily edit and we're gonna customize some phone cases. But I don't know which one to decide because they're all so cute. I don't know. Time for a new one.
Yes.
What do you put in here? Just a credit card?
Literally. Cute. Oh my god, that's so cute.
Gonna shoot some street style. Get the Instagram shots. Hello. We have our amazing photographer here.
Just one like, oh yeah. Yes, work it. Oh, damn, small. You got that?
Later, back there.
Yeah, we did
Got it. Got the shot. Choking on my hair.
Get my little friend.
Yes.
It's my lucky day.
You know what's funny is that I used to always hate kombucha, and then just like 2 weeks ago, now I'm obsessed. Maybe I just had a bad one my first time. Not sure what this is, but Bonberry green smoothie. Raw coconut water, spinach, celery, mango, mint, banana. Let's try it. It's probably good.
So cute. Milo, Frankie, Sansa.
So cute. All right, so we are going to our hotel and we're gonna do a bunch of different street style looks. Same, like kind of like Instagram vibe. It's gonna be a lot of changes, but it's gonna be good. And the photographer's gonna be the same. Next up. Shoot some more street style downstairs. I think our photographer just arrived. Should we accessorize? This was a dress, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I mean, we
Yeah.
kind of,
Yeah.
it's cuter as a dress.
I mean, I have all kinds of stuff. I don't know if you want it.
Could work.
So good.
Just a good shot. Gonna get a shot.
Yeah, right here.
One down. Let's go in here. Fashion Week, so you don't have time to stop for lunch. We are on the way to Base Gym which I've never tried before. It looks super cool. It's like a workout for your face. So we'll see how it goes. Adee had them open the door and like run me in.
Which
like,
one? Zimmerman?
Zimmerman, yeah. We went and did like a bunch of street style stuff and yeah, killing it today. Bye. This is snatched, this is not snatched.
That side's still snatched, but that's just more snatched.
Yeah.
Definitely lifted, more defined. You see that definition of the contour,
Yes.
the jawline as well.
Finished. Feeling snatched. It was a really cool experience. She used all these different techniques, this really cool red ball that like stretched my face, this microcurrent thing, we had lots of massages. So if you're in the New York area, come check it out. It's time for a makeup change. I just had a little break in my room. Got to relax for like 5 minutes. Leah's here. We are gonna do this really cool eye look now. And yeah, this glam is gonna be sick. Look who's ready to party once again. We are headed to YouTube's fashion and beauty launch party. Don't normally play around with makeup like this, but I thought tonight would be fun, and also it kind of really goes well with what I'm wearing, right?